Procreate with Jeff. I'm not playing around. It's official. We can now play soccer on the moon. Yes! Hey, welcome back to another Create with Jeff video. This is a tutorial on how to transform stuff in Procreate. So let's select a layer for this project. Click the arrow at the top and make sure you have the uniform option on for all of these. You can rotate it, make it smaller or bigger using the corners of the square. Next up, we have flipping horizontally or vertically, clicking the arrow at the top because that's the selection tool. Then simply click horizontal, flip on the bottom. Next up, we also have distort, make something smaller on one side while keeping the other one wide, like that. It's right next to the uniform option. And next up, we can squish something or make it look elastic with the warp option. Alright, so that was it for today. Hope this was useful for you. Stick around for more. Later.